శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 46th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 7th, 8th and 9th chapters. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, when Bhrigu Maharshi gave curse to Agnideva, saying that with all of your body you will be receiving everything, you will be eating away everything, or you will be burning away everything. Then Agnideva asked, O Bhrigu Maharshi, it is not fair for you to give me that kind of curse. I can also curse you, but I respect Brahmanas. That is why I am not cursing. Like that Agnideva said, and he stopped receiving all the yajnas. That means svahakaras. Then all the Maharshis started worrying. They all went to Devatas. Devatas also started worrying and they all approached Brahmadeva. Brahmadeva came to Agnideva and said, O Agni, you will not be burning away everything with all of your body, but with your flames you will be receiving everything. Like that Brahmadeva said, and Agnideva also got convinced, and then he started taking svahakaras, and then Maharshi started doing yajnas. O Maharshis, now what happened is, in the past there used to be a rishi called as Sthulakesa. He was living, and at the same time Visvavasu Gandharva, he blessed with a daughter with Menaka. So Menaka delivered her daughter in this Sthulakesa's ashramam. And then Menaka left her child on the banks of a river and left. Then Sthulakesa found that daughter, and because that daughter was glowing with so much of radiance, Sthulakesa gave her a name Pramadvara. While days were passing, after that Pramadvara grew up, one rishi, Ruruvu, he wanted to marry Pramadvara. He loved Pramadvara. Sthulakesa said, yes, I will do your marriage. And one of those days, that Pramadvara, the girl, she was playing in forest, and unknowingly she stepped on a serpent. That serpent bite that Pramadvara. With that Pramadvara passed away. And Ruruvu started crying for Pramadvara and saying that Krishna, Vishnu, Hrishikese, Lokese, Asuravidvishi, यदि मे निश्चला भक्ति मम जीवतु सा प्रिया. That Ruru was praying Sri Krishna Paramatma and saying that, Oh Krishna, if I have undivided devotion to you, may this Pramadvara become alive. Then when that Ruru was crying like that, one Devaduta came and asked and said to Ruru, saying that, Oh Ruru, you know the fact that once anyone passed away, they cannot become alive anymore. But here is a chance. If you can give half of your lifespan, she will be alive. She will become alive. Then Ruru accepted to that condition. Immediately Devaduta went to Yamadharmaraju and told about everything. And then Yamadharmaraju made that Pramadvara become alive. Yamadharmaraju sanctioned half of lifespan of Ruru to Pramadvara. Then Sthulakesa did marriage of Ruru and Pramadvara. They were happily living. Then what happened is Ruru still carrying some anger towards the snakes because snake bited Pramadvara. With that anger, Ruru started killing all the snakes that he come across. He even went to forest and started killing snakes, and he finally found one snake, that is older snake. Then Ruru was about to kill that snake. Then that snake, the snake's name is Dundubha, says like this: "Ho Ruru, ho Tapodhana, why are you trying to kill me? What bad thing or what harm that I did to you?" Like that snake asked Ruru. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sriman Mahabharata, the divine scripture. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart, and let us sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and also asked all of us to do 8 things. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, Sriman Narayana, saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. Ho Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.